carbon on the periodic table has a molar mass of 12.01 grams per mole. And so on the periodic table, you can see that each atom has a different molar mass. And the mass that is listed on the periodic table, all of those masses, they're in grams, and they all equal to 1 mole. So we can use these conversion factors to transfer it. For example, if we were to mass any atom, we can use the conversion factor on the periodic table to be able to convert back and forth between moles and grams of atoms on the periodic table. So this is very useful information for us. Okay, so as we're wrapping up here, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit. What do you think, what was the most important thing you took away from today's discussion on dimensional analysis? Chris?
Dimensional analysis helps us convert from one unit to another.
Awesome, yeah, that's super important. And I just want you guys to remember that dimensional analysis really will follow us through the entire school year when we are trying to measure and compare different quantities. We are always going to have to be converting back and forth. So it's so important that we understand the need and the importance of dimensional analysis. Can anyone remember anything else that stuck out to them in today's lecture? Yeah, Mike.
1 mole equals 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms.
Right, yeah, super important that you guys remember that, because it is going to follow us throughout the entire year of what we're going to be learning. It's just something that we're really going to have to remember. So definitely star that in your notes for sure. Okay. And then some other things that I want you guys to remember is just how we talked about the metric system's prefixes. I want you guys to really understand that even though the prefix system, we are not changing the quantity of what we have, we are just changing the way and we are measuring.